Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle at home. First, choose crisp, fresh vegetables such as Kirby cucumbers, green beans, or even carrots. Wash them well and trim the ends. You can slice cucumbers into spears or rounds depending on your preference. Next, it is crucial to sterilize your glass jars and lids. You can boil them for 10 minutes or use a microwave method for 2 to 3 minutes to ensure they are perfectly clean and ready for pickling. Now let's create the flavorful brine. A basic brine often uses equal parts water and vinegar, typically with 5% acidity. For example, 2 cups of water and 2 cups of distilled white vinegar work well. Add 2 tablespoons of kosher or pickling salt and a 1/4 cup of sugar to balance the flavors. Heat this mixture until the salt and sugar fully dissolve. Incorporate your favorite pickling spices such as fresh dill, halved garlic cloves, and mustard seeds directly into your clean jars. Carefully pack your prepared vegetables into the sterilized jars, layering them with your chosen spices. Ensure the vegetables are snug but not crushed. Pour the warm brine over the packed vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Tap the jars gently to release any air bubbles. For refrigerator pickles, seal the jars tightly, let them cool to room temperature on the counter, then transfer them to the refrigerator. Refrigerator pickles are typically ready to enjoy after 24 hours, though their flavor deepens over several days. For fermented pickles, allow 3 to 7 days at room temperature for the process to complete, then refrigerate. Always store your pickles in a cool, dark place like the refrigerator to maintain freshness. When serving, use a clean, dry spoon to avoid introducing contaminants. Enjoy your delicious homemade pickles as a snack or a zesty addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.